Hey boys and girls, you're all welcome back to UpskillingU. So it's been some time, but anyways, I'm back with another interesting topic, that is time. Okay, to all the students out there, time is very important. So you need to consider time as the most valuable asset that you have. Okay, ప్రతి మనిషికి ప్రతిరోజు 24 hours మీ లైఫ్ అకౌంట్లో క్రెడిట్ అవుతుంది, and it's all up to you. It's in your hands how you gonna use it. Or even for that matter, if you gonna use it or not use it, it just ticks off. Okay, 24 hours మీ క్రెడిట్ అవుతుంది. మీరు అది యూజ్ చేసుకున్నా చేయకపోయినా ఆ 24 hours అయిపోతే ఆ 24 hours you'll never get it back. So it's very precious. You have to use it properly. You need to respect time, and we have to plan all your tasks, all your responsibilities. You have to consider everything and plan accordingly, whatever you have to complete or whatever you have to address or whatever you have to do. Okay, time ki demographic differentiation anedi undadu. So whatever your age is, whatever your gender is, whatever your financial status or income levels are, it doesn't matter to time. All you get is 24 hours. So it's in your hands. So oka successful business person ki 24 hours untadi, oka student ki 24 hours untadi, oka entrepreneur ki 24 hours untadi, oka IT personal ki 24 hours untadi, oka content creator kuda 24 hours untadi. So it's all within our hands how we are going to manage, how much time we are going to dedicate to what really means to us. Okay, and time ni mana evvaru konalem. Okay, it's very valuable, it's priceless. Okay, time is priceless. Nobody can buy time. You can buy a clock, okay, but you cannot buy some time. Once it's gone forever. So there is a very wonderful quote that was given by Harvey Mackay. He's a famous American author anamata. Aina time gurinchi oka quotation icharu. Entante, you can't own time, but you can use it. Okay, you can't keep time, but you can spend it. And once you've lost it, then that's it. It's gone, and it will never come back to you. Okay, so it's a wonderful quote. We have to recollect and remember this each and every day before we start something, so that we value time. Okay, it is priceless, so respect time. And చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ముందు కానీ వాళ్ళ అసైన్మెంట్స్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కానీ మీరు దేనికైనా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు కానీ సీరియస్గా ఏమైనా టాపిక్స్ అర్థం కాకపోయినా, సిలబస్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వకపోయినా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ టెన్ టు క్విట్. దే పుట్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్. అవ్వట్లేదు, ఈ చాప్టర్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు, ఇది చాలా కష్టం, ఐ కెనాట్ డూ ఇట్ అని ఫుల్ స్టాప్ పెట్టేసి యూ జస్ట్ గో అవే. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రైట్. యూ షుడ్ నెవర్ గివ్ అప్. ఓకే, you need to have some attitude like I will until I complete it. I will until. So మీ attitude ఎలా ఉండాలంటే, let's take some break, let's go somewhere, reset our mind, come back and then look into it. ఓకే, ఒక ఫ్రెష్ మైండ్ సెట్తో మళ్ళీ ఆ టాపిక్ లేదంటే ఆ చాప్టర్ చదువుదాం అని అనుకోండి. లేదంటే వేరే టాపిక్స్ ముందు కంప్లీట్ చేసి ఆ తర్వాత ఈ చాప్టర్ టచ్ చేయండి, ఏదైతే అవ్వట్లేదు, ఏదైతే కష్టంగా ఉందో అది. అంతేగాని మీరు డిసప్పాయింట్ అయిపోయి, డిమోటివేట్ అయిపోయి, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు క్విట్, ఆ థాట్ మీ మైండ్లోకి వచ్చిందంటే, then the probability of you achieving something or completing your syllabus becomes zero. Okay, then probability zero అయిపోతుంది. అలా కాకుండా if you take some time, go reset your mind, come back, touch upon different other topics that are pending, and then finally address this. So at least the probability of you finishing that syllabus or chapter, it's still alive, which is more important. Okay, you should never quit. Journey lo rest తీసుకోవచ్చు అప్పుడప్పుడు, so that you revive yourself, come back with energy and complete or finish whatever your responsibilities are. Antikani, you should never quit. Never ever quit. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today, boys and girls. I'm sure that this video is going to create some value to all of you, and I'll be back with another useful video for you guys. And then take care of yourself, take care of your time. Bye bye, see you.